Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Naraka Bladepoint, no audio or sound basically not working. So the first thing what we need to do here, we need to go on search, and then we just need to write sound settings, and here make sure that the right output and input device here is selected and it's not muted here, and it has some basically sound. It's good from 50 to 100, right? And once you do that, then you need to go to more sound settings here, and then go to playback here, go to your basically device that you're using, make sure that it's on default here, then go to properties and make sure that levels is okay, it's not muted here, and make sure that is on the highest quality here, not highest studio quality. 48,000 here for me is working perfectly fine. And then make sure that exclusive mode is selected here. These two options here allow applications to make exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode applications priority, right? And also you can disable this option here, and here that's pretty much it what you need to do here. If your mic is not working, you just need to go to recording, you set your microphone that you're using on default here, then right click to properties, make sure that also it's not muted here, it has quite sound, and also these two options is selected, right? And after that, if the problem persists, you need to go to volume mixer, load up the game, and once you load up the game, it should be here under the apps, and make sure that basically your microphone is on output and input devices on default, or maybe try to set up to the specific one that you're using, and also make sure that it has a lot of sound here, and make sure that your game basically is not muted, right? As you can see here, if I muted this, I don't hear any sound or mic, so make sure this is not on mute, right? And if this doesn't help, the last thing that you can do here, you can go to device manager, and then you need to look for as you can see here, sound, video, and game controllers here, and you just need to update all your devices here. So right click, update driver, set automatically for drivers here, and then update it, right? And that's pretty much it what you need to do here if your sound not working on Naraka Bladepoint. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.